Let's now take a look at the basic production phases for a metal frame, beginning precisely with the raw material. The most commonly used metals for making frames are, in order of quality and therefore of cost, monel, nickel-silver, bronze, steel, titanium, and finally, precious metals like silver and gold. The production of metal frames takes place in the Agordo plant. Regardless of the metal used, the production process may be summarized as follows. The first phase is the making of the metal wire. The metal is worked with a special machinery that draws it and thins it out until it reaches the desired thickness. It is then cut and folded to take on the form of the frame components. The next phase is welding, during which other components like the bridge, pad arms, and hinges are manually welded to the temple and the front, thereby obtaining a rough frame ready for tumbling. Tumbling is a mechanical process to finish the surfaces, resulting in the removal of impurities and roughness, like welding and oxide residues. The tumblers are rotating cylinders, inside of which the frames and abrasive material are loaded. Thanks to the rotating movement and the consequential friction with the abrasive material, the frames are given a finished look. Sometimes another step is required, polishing, which may be done with either automated machinery or manually with a wheel. The next phase is galvanizing, during which the frames are immersed in tanks of electrified solutions in which metal salts have been dissolved. During the phenomenon of electrolysis, these salts are deposited on the frames, making them shiny, resistant, and attractive. In special instances, collections are created with coatings of particularly precious metals and thicknesses, like in the case of the special edition gold line by Dolce & Gabbana, where the titanium frames were literally gold-plated. The next phase is painting, which serves the dual purpose of embellishing the frames and making them perfectly hypoallergenic. This is a highly automated process, but some precision painting, like shades of color or the painting of a single detail, are done by hand. After drying and manual inspections, nosepad, lenses, and trims are assembled. As you can see, the production of a metal frame is a very long and complex process that guarantees the high quality of our products.